Chesapeake Bay Bridge. We are going towards the eastern shore, so we're going east, and traffic is looking pretty good. About 8 o'clock in the morning. We're on the way to Tuckahoe Steam Show, so make sure you check out that video. And we've got a lot of other videos on the channel as well. So we got a little bit of slow traffic, but not too bad. We have seen it way worse. So this bridge has 2 spans, and they can actually take one of the lanes on the other span and make it go this way as well if traffic is really heavy. Looks a bit overcast, but not too bad.
Never noticed the bridge over here.
Oh yeah, no, it's not focusing well on that for whatever reason. Run walk in November. You start at the base of the bridge back there, go over the bridge, which is like 4.4 miles, and then you turn around and go through town a bit, and that gives you the 10K, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 10K run/walk. We've done that before a couple times. We might do it again. You can see the other span over there on the left. Good. It's traffic is slow, but it's not stopped. So there's a good look at the 2 spans there. I forget which span was built first. And I forget what years they were built, but I'll put all that stuff at the bottom of the screen. We're going a whopping 30 miles an hour. That's better than 0. Slower, but it's all good. Nice look there at the other side. Neat look through there. too bad. Took us about 8.5 minutes to cross the bridge. And we are back on solid ground, it looks like. There's all kinds of restaurants and marinas, and there's the flag, United States flag. See the gates where they use to move traffic to the other lanes when they need to use them. We go through the automatic counter things that counted our Easy Pass, and that will complete the bridge trip. Thanks for watching, folks.